it's Amber and welcome to the Bad Bitch Academy. Now, I just wanted to make this video and just give some advice because what I've been seeing a lot with like my friends and some of my clients is people can be very dependent on advice from others. But the thing is, if you want to truly live your best fucking life, you have got to start trusting in yourself. You've got to stop asking everybody else for their advice and opinions. What should I do? Should I date this guy? Should I move here? Always asking for advice starts to cloud your own vision and cloud your own inner wisdom. And when you are always asking people about what they think and just asking for advice, you have to realize that everyone is biased for one reason or another, right? They might not mean to be, but we are biased. We all have our own experiences and perspectives and reasons why we might be giving you this advice. So for example, let's say that you want to move out of the country. You're like, oh my God, I see New Zealand, it looks beautiful. I think I want to move there. You ask your friends, should I move to New Zealand? Your best friend might be like, oh my God, I don't want her to leave. She's my best friend. We do everything together. I want to be together. And she might be like, no, I've heard New Zealand's not that nice. It's going to be so hard to travel, right? They might give you advice from a loving place, but they do have their bias within that. So I just want you to start to get used to trusting yourself. Instead of asking everyone else what you should do, literally go on an advice detox for a good 30 days and just ask yourself, what do I want? What do I need? What decision should I make? Because once you get used to asking yourself these questions, then your intuition is gonna start speaking to you. Your intuition is going to be like, okay, cool, she's listening now. There's not a bunch of other noise that's clouding your judgment. So my homework for you is to go at least 30 days without asking anyone for advice. Every decision we make is taking us down our path. And we are human. We're gonna fuck up. We're gonna make bad decisions. We're going to make choices that maybe were not the best choice, but at the end of the day, that is okay. And at the end of the day, even when we make these mistakes, we are learning from them. We're growing from them. So it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to not always make the right decision. And that is why I really want you to start trusting in yourself. Start trusting your own voice. So I just had this intuitive download to make this video and share this with you. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of my upcoming content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.